Okay, so here's my adder circuit. Like these first two switches are one number, the second two are another number. So if I want to add 1 plus 1, I go 1, 1, and that gives me 0, 1, 0, which is 2. Say I want to add 3 and 1, which will give me 4, so it should be 1, 0, 0. Like that. Now, oops, didn't push it in all the way. Now there is a delay when I go from 1 to 0, which is because when it's off, the switch isn't grounded, so there must be some stored energy still telling the input to stay high. But so you'll see if I want to go just right back to 0, I'll take them down one by one in the order that I turned them off. It's not a big deal, but it can be annoying. If I'm going from a 2 plus 1, which will be 3, and then say I want to go to 2 plus 0, it'll delay. But other than that, it works beautifully. It's attached to an Arduino Uno. I have the 3.3 volt coming out, going to this top row, which is connected through a 100 ohm resistor. I just put that there just for current limiting. It's really not needed. It works fine without it. Attached to each input for when the switch is on. And then on the other side I have them each going, the other side of the switches going to inputs on the Arduino itself. And they're digital. These are the digital inputs, by the way. Just thought I'd mention that. I have each of the LEDs connected to another digital input. I have this one here just in case it's adding wrong. I tell the circuit to turn that one on. It's never turned on for me, which is a disappointment because I like red LEDs. I just don't have enough for this circuit. I just have tons of yellows and greens because I use reds way too much. But these LEDs are then connected through here, through a 1 kilo ohm resistor, back to ground. So it's a pretty easy circuit. My code isn't, probably the best. I'm not a great programmer, but it works. If you want to, mess around with it, make it better, that would be cool. I'd be cool with that. I'll post the code on my website, which is 12voltrail.blogspot.com. Feel free to download it, mess around with it, tell me I suck, whatever. Okay.